Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here. And if you have been in the work from home business industry for some time, or if you're absolutely brand new, you've never done anything online to make money before, please be sure to give me your full undivided attention because I'm going to be sharing some things over the next few minutes that should be very, very exciting to you. I'm going to share some proof and I want you to think about this. You've probably heard the saying, the money is in the list, right? You've probably heard that. And what that actually means is as you grow your email marketing list and promote one offer or multiple offers, the more engaged your subscribers are with your email, the more action they're going to take. So you're going to generate traffic, you're going to generate leads, you're going to make sales and get conversions based on how successful you are at the following things. Number one, are people actually opening up your emails? Two, are they actually reading your emails? And then number three, are they actually clicking on your network marketing, affiliate marketing, or direct selling links? So if what I share with you in the next few minutes makes a lot of sense, you get some value from it, be sure to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. And what I'm sharing with you today is an email AI assistant that pays you $100 instantly on an unlimited basis while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. So you can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. And this system is known as Simple Commissions, and the product is called Mailbot. Now, just imagine this for a second. Imagine having an AI email assistant that does all of the heavy lifting, does all of the work. Just think about it. You don't have to do anything other than share a free demo with individuals. They basically click on a link the way that I did just a day and a half ago when I saw somebody post something up on Facebook. And, I wanted to put this thing to the test. So I requested information, right? All I did was I sent an email to this mailbot that said, send info. And within 30 seconds, I kid you not, I got a response. Now, if you know anything about me, maybe you've been following me for a while, I've always tested things out fully before I even start talking about them because I want to be sure if I'm putting my name onto something, I want to make sure that it absolutely works. And what you're getting from this AI email assistant is you're going to be able to promote up to 3 different business opportunities. The system is automatically going to email your subscribers through your mailbot as well as promoting simple commissions at the same time. So I want you to think about that. Automatically done for you. You're going to be able to brand your email, brand yourself, your offers that you want to promote. This is AI powered instant replies. Every single time I send my mailbot a message, in all honesty, I was just trying to trip it up. I just wanted to see if this thing was legit and how intuitive it is, and better than any email assistant that I could imagine. Every single time within 30 seconds, these email replies were in my inbox. Now, if you know anything about Google, you know that a lot of your emails could end up in spam, which a lot of them do. You know that a lot of your emails may end up in your social tab or in your promotions tab. And a lot of times people don't even click on these things. But again, I tried to trip this thing up and I just want to share with you some results. And I'm going to tell you how you can get a free demo for this system. So take a look at what happened. Now, I literally just started this about a day and a half ago. And within my first 3 hours, approximately 3 hours, I had already had somebody that signed up for this. And this was the email that I got. Hi, Troy, right? The person's info was here. So-and-so has just signed up to your Mailbot. Payment instructions have been sent to them, so be on the lookout for a payment from them. Great job. Now watch this. A few seconds later, I got this notification in my Cash App. You could see the date here, right? Today is June 25th. This was June 24th, 2025. This came in the evening into my Cash App for $100. So that right there in itself got me excited, on top of the fact that, again, I tested this thing out. I sent it several messages, and every single time it hit my inbox, and it didn't take a while. I'm talking 20, 30 seconds tops. So how do you take advantage of this? Very simple. If you're watching this video on YouTube, all you need to do is go to the description of this video. You're going to be able to get your very own free demo, right? What you want to do is you want to send an email to the email that you're going to find in the description, and in the subject line, very important, all you need to put is the words send info, right? That's all you need to do, send info. And another fantastic thing about this, you don't have to have a paid email provider like Aweber or GetResponse. You don't need any of that. This actually works with your Gmail account or any free email provider you have. And I want you to think about what I just said. So thanks so much for watching this video. Shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Go to the description right now to get the information and get your free demo. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day. Once again, it's Troy. Take care.